Good morning, everybody. So on today's episode of Good Morning Mechanic, we're going to do a Tools Day tool review of something that's actually really, really cool. I'm really excited. I think you guys are going to really like this tool. It's small, but it is totally worth it because it's going to save you a lot of time and money. So pour yourself a cup of coffee, sit back, relax, enjoy the episode. Look at that. Look at that all the way from Canada, eh? So I'm sure you're gonna hear the ducks in the background and people hauling absolute butt down the highway. So if there's a lot of background noise, I apologize for that. Pretty excited for this. So this it's right here. This is made by a company called OLSA Tools. I think I'm saying that right. It's a Canadian company. It is a bolt size finder keychain. Let me show you guys how this works. And here it is. On one side you have metric, on the other side you have standard, and there's this little slide. Let's try it out. There we go. Okay, so basically what you do is you take this slider, and there's on each side, and we're going to slide it up, and that tells me that's a 10mm bolt. Now on the other side, if you slide it up, close to 3/8. So let's go get a 10mm bolt. Got it. Like a glove, dude. Yep, so that works perfect there. And then you could just try random bolts. What's that one? That one looks a little smaller than 11. That might be standard. Right there it is. It's a 3/8 bolt. Yeah, so it's pretty cool, man. I'll tell you, your bolt size. Which one's that? It's a 12mm bolt. But it doesn't just work on cars. Okay, so right here I got my bike, and I need to adjust this right here. So come up here, boom, look at that. That is a 9mm bolt. All day, dude. This is great. This thing is awesome. This is gonna keep me from having to run back and forth guessing. I can get close, or even grabbing 2 or 3 sockets just to try them all. Let's go try it on the truck. Here we go. There's the big old shock bolt right there. Let's see. 13/16 or 21mm. 21mm. All right. What about this side? I don't know. 18mm. Oh, dude, this is gonna be so handy, man. This is gonna save me so much time. Yeah, I really like this thing already. Oh no, it's some sort of hose bracket holder thing. I need to replace it. It does slip off, or I'm stupid. I'm probably stupid. It could be 1/2 inch, but it's definitely 13mm. Nice. This is awesome. So I'm examining this, and that is definitely not screwed on. So this will never loosen, but it will also never tighten. It will always be that tight until the tool wears itself apart. But they're not that expensive, and it clips right on your keychain, so you have to drop it. You can even put this on your tool belt or just on your pocket just to carry around. This is awesome. I might put this in the 1,000 subscriber tool giveaway. Okay, so it's not just a senseless plug. I'm gonna try and find a link on Amazon to this thing. I bought it straight from the company, but I think they might have it on Amazon. It's gonna be part number 15. Nope. It's OLSA Tools part number 1753 right here. And I tell you what, this is probably going to be the most handy little tool I've ever owned. So, which means I'm going to lose it within a couple days, unfortunately. It's very well manufactured. It's got this nice matte finish on it. Really easy to use, really intuitive. And you know what? You pull this out in the garage, buddies, you're going to be like, dude, what is that? I have to have one because that is awesome. It's going to save you a lot of time if you're like me and you're not really good at guessing the bolt size. You're going to be able to just put it right on there, be able to grab your sockets, grab your wrenches in one trip. So it's pretty exciting, and it's going to be a great new tool to add to our collection. If you want a Good Morning Mechanic t-shirt, the Shopify link's down below. Hit us up on the Insta, Facebook, YouTube. Don't have TikTok, never going to have TikTok, so sorry. Not really sorry. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching. As always, have a good morning.